This video will cover how to manage applications and products that you've created in your PROtrade database. So if you haven't already watched the videos on how to create applications and products, you can find links to view them below this video. Applications and products that you create in the Database tab are always saved and available for future projects. New applications that you create, changes to products, and removal of unwanted products and applications are saved to your Database tab. So for example, if I want to change the name of this shingles product to report differently, I can click the Edit button here and change the name to say square foot of shingles for roofing instead. I could also add a new attribute, 50 year, and make that the new default, and then change the waste percentage to 10% or 15%. I'll just click Save and adjust the color here as well. And now my database has been updated. The adjustments to this product will be available for any future projects that I'm working on. I could also choose to remove products or applications by clicking the Remove button. If I don't need this drip edge, I can just remove it. I can also remove this porch patio slab application as well. And again, as we move forward with new projects, those changes will be reflected. But what about old projects? Projects that were completed before the changes were made to the applications and products in our database. Let's open an old job that was completed before we made these changes and see what it looks like. I'll choose a job that was using the drip edge and porch patio slab that we deleted, as well as one with the old version of our shingles product. As we look at the My Products tab, we'll notice that there are a couple warning symbols. Here we have a caution symbol indicating that the lineal feed of drip edge flashing is a product that was being used in this project, but it's not currently in our database since we just deleted it. When it comes to products that are not in our database but are in the current project, we have two options. One, we can do nothing, and this project will simply continue to make use of the product, but it won't be added to our database and won't be available for any future jobs. Or two, we can click the Update DB button, and now this product has been added back into our database, so we can make use of it in the future. The second type of warning symbol indicates that there's a conflict between the product in this project versus how the product is stored in our database. Hovering the mouse over it will display the conflicts. The bold items are conflicting with the database, so we'll see that the product name has been changed, we've added an attribute, and the waste factor and color are different. Those values can be compared from here to the ones that are currently being used in the project. When it comes to a conflict like this, we have three options. One, we can once again do nothing. The project will continue to use its values, and the database will remain unchanged. Two, we can click the Update DB button, and our database will then be updated to reflect the settings that are in this old project. This is essentially saying, we like the way that we used to use this product, and we'll change our database back to match this project. Or three, we can click the Update Project button. Our project is now updated to the latest version of our database. This is perhaps the most common choice because it's saying that we want to take the changes in our database and apply them to this old project so that it's up to date and consistent with the way that we do things now. I'll click Update Project, and now the new color is being used, the name is changed, and all other values are applied to the project. These options work the same way for applications. If I go back and take a look in the My Applications tab, I can update my database to add back the porch patio application, or just leave it blank. So whether you're updating, adding, or removing applications and products, or working on old jobs or revisions, it's easy to manage your database tab and manage the applications and products to fit your specific needs.